Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. Yes, honey, wig review. This video is also in collaboration with Augusta Beauty Outlet, one of the largest beauty supply stores in the Augusta area. Located at 2512 Peach Orchard Road. Check out Augusta Beauty Outlet for all your hair care needs. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review of this unit. Today's unit, you guys, is totally different from any other unit that I've actually reviewed on my channel before. Let's see, she's coming in from the brand Sister Wig, and this is a DIVA-LACE FULANI box braid unit. And the color I'm wearing is FS2730. You'll see it right here. I'm going to go ahead and include the stock card so you know what you're looking for when you walk into the beauty supply store and you're looking for this unit. If you're interested in this color, I'm not quite sure what other colors this unit comes in, but I will tell you this is the lightest color this unit does come in as far as I know, which is why I got my hands on this one. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump into wig construction. This unit does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, and of course she does come with an adjustable strap. This is a lace front unit. It does come with baby hairs all the way around the perimeter and the back, and I will tell you, of all the units that I've actually tried, I had the worst time with this unit. I could not get it to settle on my head. I could not get it to stay put on my head, which is why I came up with the different ideas of the different head ties to kind of make this unit work towards something more like I would wear it. I can totally see me wearing this unit on vacation. My family and I are planning on going on a cruise. This is the perfect type of unit that I would want for a cruise vacation. It looks like I sat in a beauty salon chair for hours and hours, but literally I put her on, tied me down with a scarf, secured the bag, honey, secured the wig, and I am good to go. You know, you can kind of give it a little bit extraness in your makeup look to really feel like that you did a lot of extra because you cut so many corners on this unit working. Totally vacation mode, if you feel what I'm saying. I love how they crafted the ends on this unit. It looks like it was braided all the way down to the edge, and even with this unit being all the way down to my butt, it's perfectly constructed to where I don't feel like it's going to fray. Even as you're walking and twisting and turning, I think that the unit is going to stay. Sorry about the lighting. I am using natural light, so the sun is kind of moving in and out of the trees. So if the lighting is a little bit off in this video, because I want you to see the trueness of what this color looks like, it really does look kind of like a cinnamon spice type color. So really, really pretty. I think it looks very authentic for summer months. Definitely great for a vacation. And let's just get into the quickness of how I was able to change the style a little bit more with the head ties. I've totally seen girls get different types of ribbon and twisting them into the unit like so. This is one of those that you can get a cute little braid down on. I think you could kind of, do something a little bit more extra. I was totally unable to get it to secure down to my head with slipping it on, and even with bobby pins, even with the lace being in excess. I'm thinking that just for me and the dominance of my forehead, the unit was looking like it was starting way back here, so it wasn't as attractive as I think it is with just kind of camouflaging it with a head tie or a head scarf. And these are just actually scarves that my neighbor gave me when I mentioned that I wanted to do this unit, and she had some perfect ones just so you can do like a single tie. You can actually make your beautiful knots and things of that nature. So this is definitely one of those units I will say standalone, absolutely not, but totally one of those units that you can get very, very creative with. You're definitely going to, I would say, definitely slay those eyes out. Put on you a popping lip. Of course, you can find these combinations at Liptricks.com. I'll leave all the information in the description box. So if you want to get your sparkling lips for your vacations or Easter or prom season, any of those reasons, you guys know, comment down below and let me know what would you want to create this makeup look for, and will this unit be one of those that you'll need for summer 2019? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. Big thanks to Augusta Beauty Outlet for sponsoring this video and giving me this unit for you all to see it and for me to review it. It makes it a lot easier when I have an amazing beauty supply store right here in my local area that I can go into a store, see what's new, try it on for you, and yeah, therefore you guys know how to spend your coin. Check out Augusta Beauty Outlet's Facebook page. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs up if you have not already subscribed to my channel. I have no idea why. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the bell for post notifications so you will be notified every time I upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.